Hey guys, I dropped the stock analysis for Elf Beauty Inc. a few days ago. And when I dropped that stock analysis, I told you the stock was at $88.44, but Yahoo analysts estimate it can go up to $153.57 in the next 12 months. If it does, that'll be a 73.64% increase. However, I also mentioned that there was an earnings report dropping in a few days, which was February 6th. And earnings report is sort of like going to a casino. If it comes out good, the stock price can jump up. If it comes out bad, the stock price can dramatically drop. Well, the earnings report came out, and here are the results. And I'm reading this from a Google search, which brought up a Motley Fool article. Shares of cosmetics company Elf Beauty minus 19.25% were crushed on Friday after the company reported financial results for its third quarter of 2025. As of 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time today, Elf Beauty stock was down 19%. That was slightly better than the 28% it was down earlier in the day, but it was a painful drop nonetheless. And then the growth is suddenly gone. Elf Beauty stock is now down nearly 70% from its all-time high and down over 40% year to date. So allow me to cut to the chase of the problem. Management said that sales were slower than expected in January, motivating it to lower its financial guidance for the upcoming quarter. The cosmetics stock had traded at a high valuation because it was a high growth opportunity. But with growth now showing signs of weakness, investors are heading for the hills. So, we're now on Friday. Where does that leave us with Elf Beauty right now? And if we look at the current candlestick chart, this stock is now at $71.13. And Yahoo analysts revised their estimate. They now believe it can go up to $100.19 over the next 12 months. If it does, that'll be a 40.85% increase. And you'll see the steep drop this week. So that's it for our update on Elf Beauty, guys. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video.